Welcome inside the most livable American home layouts of 2026, where design is no longer about excess, but about ease. This is a home shaped by how people truly live: fewer rooms, larger volumes, seamless flow, and light that moves with you throughout the day. Every line, every space, and every transition has been engineered for clarity, comfort, and longevity. This is not a trend-driven house. It is a blueprint for living better. The story begins at the front, where architecture speaks before a single step is taken inside. This home presents a confident yet restrained exterior, clean geometry, warm natural materials, and generous glazing that hints at the openness within. The facade reflects a core principle of the most livable American homes of 2026, clarity. There is no visual noise, only balance. The entry is intuitive, the massing deliberate, and the design instantly communicates ease, permanence, and modern American refinement. At the heart of the home lies a living room designed not as a showpiece, but as a daily anchor. This is a single, expansive volume, free of unnecessary walls, allowing life to unfold naturally. Light pours in from oversized windows, circulation flows without interruption, and flexibility defines the space. Whether hosting, resting, or gathering, this room adapts effortlessly. In 2026, livability means fewer rooms doing more, and this living room embodies that philosophy with quiet confidence. The master bedroom redefines rest through simplicity and scale. Designed as a true retreat, it offers generous proportions, minimal visual clutter, and an atmosphere shaped by natural light. Storage is integrated, circulation is effortless, and every element supports calm. This room reflects a growing priority in American homes of 2026, wellness through design. Here, comfort is not decorative, it is architectural, intentional, and deeply restorative. The kitchen is no longer a separate room, it is the operational core of the home. This layout prioritizes openness, clarity, and connection. A large central island anchors the space, while clean sightlines link the kitchen to living and outdoor areas. Materials are durable, tactile, and timeless. In the most livable homes of 2026, the kitchen supports movement, conversation, and routine without friction. It is efficient without feeling utilitarian, refined without feeling fragile. Above the living space, the mezzanine introduces vertical generosity without sacrificing intimacy. This flexible zone overlooks the home's core, maintaining visual connection while offering privacy. It can shift roles effortlessly: reading lounge, creative studio, or quiet retreat. In 2026 home design, livability means spaces that evolve without renovation. The mezzanine represents that future: open, adaptable, and spatially intelligent. The bathroom embraces restraint as a form of sophistication. Large, open layouts replace tight enclosures, and circulation is fluid and intuitive. Natural light softens hard surfaces, while materials emphasize longevity and calm. This space reflects a broader shift in American home design. Bathrooms are no longer functional afterthoughts, but daily sanctuaries. In 2026, livability is measured in moments of quiet ease, and this room delivers exactly that. The front yard is designed as a transition, not a boundary. Clean pathways, balanced landscaping, and clear visibility reinforce the home's welcoming character. Nothing is excessive, yet everything feels intentional. This approach mirrors the larger philosophy behind the most livable American homes of 2026. Outdoor spaces are extensions of circulation, not ornamental fillers. The home meets the street with confidence and grace. The rooftop transforms unused square footage into purposeful living space. Designed for relaxation, gathering, or quiet observation, it expands the home vertically without increasing its footprint. In dense or evolving neighborhoods, this represents smart, forward-thinking design. The most livable homes of 2026 do not grow outward, they grow smarter. The working room reflects a permanent shift in how homes function. This is not a temporary office, it is a dedicated, light-filled environment designed for focus and longevity. Separation from social areas ensures productivity, while generous proportions prevent isolation. In 2026, livability means homes that support professional life without compromising personal well-being. The backyard completes the home's circulation loop, flowing directly from interior spaces. It is open, usable, and intentionally restrained. Rather than segmented zones, the layout encourages movement, relaxation, and informal gathering. In the most livable American home layouts of 2026, outdoor living is not seasonal, it is seamlessly integrated into everyday life. This is not simply a house, it is a response to how Americans live now and how they will live next. Inside the most livable American home layouts of 2026, we see a future shaped by space, light, flexibility, and intention. When design removes friction, life gains room to breathe, and that is the true measure of livability.